Hello everyone, my name is Johnson Yenda from Malawi. I'm a final year community nursing student from the University of Malawi Campus College of Nursing, and I'm also a WMI scholar. Welcome to WMI Meet with Siri, and the topic for this month of June is tips for stress management. So, stress is a feeling of abnormal pressure, and we have to remind each other that we cannot run away from stress because each and every day we are exposed to different kinds of stressors. So, knowing some tips will help us to control the levels of stress. So the first tip is we have to make sure that we exercise a lot. So exercising 40 to 15 minutes in a day is good to improve our mental health and reduce our stress levels. Also, we have to make sure that we eat healthy. So eating healthy, it means we have to cut down carbohydrates and proteins and instead increase the intake of vegetables and fruits. So research has shown that intake of fruits helps promote our mental health and reduce our stress levels. Also, we have to make sure that we get enough sleep. So for an adult, at 7 hours in a day, including all the naps we take, should help our brain to rest and promote our mental health and reduce our stress levels also. Another tip is we have to make sure that we avoid procrastination. So procrastination may seem as if it's a good thing in the short term, but in the long term, it helps us. It makes us to have a lot of pressure. Say if we have a lot of tasks which you haven't completed, or if you're a student, you are piling up some assignments. So if you have a short deadline to meet, so you work under pressure, which is not good for our mental health, and that also increases our stress levels. Another one, we have to make sure that we set realistic goals. So setting realistic goals and expectations is good because we have to make sure or to understand or to accept that it's not always that we can be 100% successful. So sometimes when we fail or have some shortfalls, it's good to accept. That helps us to reduce our stress levels as well. Excuse me. We also have to make sure that we reduce our intake of alcohol. So for an adult, that is taking not more than 2 drinks in a day for males, and not more than a drink in a day for females should be healthy drinking, and that will help us to have good mental health and reduce our stress levels. And don't attempt to use alcohol to reduce stress. Another tip is we have to make sure that we engage in relaxation techniques. So there are a number of relaxation techniques, for example, imagery, mindfulness meditation, and deep breath exercise, and the like. So these ones, they help us to get relaxed and decrease our stress levels as well. The last one was we have to ensure that we sell ourselves to ourselves. So we have to realize that when we feel overwhelmed, we have to realize that, or to remind ourselves of the good things which we have done well. That helps us to feel better and reduce our stress levels as well. So these are the tips I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to watch our next video on WMI Mental Health series. Thank you.